In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a logo to Invoice in QuickBooks Desktop. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to List, top left, and you want to go to Templates. In here, you want to select your invoice template that you want to use. So I'm going to go with this one over here, which I usually use. I'm going to double click it. And inside this basic customization menu, you want to toggle on where it says Use Logo under Logo and Fonts. Then it's going to open your computer's File Explorer. You want to find your logo. I have it here under Downloads. So I'm going to click on it and click on Open. Now, in your case, you might have to click on Yes over here. I'm just going to click on No because I have the image there already. And as you can see, there we go. It's going to add the logo onto your invoice, and then you can just click on OK and you're good to go. Now, whenever you're creating invoices, so if I go to Customers, Create Invoices, just make sure you actually are using the correct template to be able to actually apply an invoice with a logo on there, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.